Tonight, charging David Tarloff with the brutal murder of a therapist on the Upper East Side last week. Police say he killed her with a meat cleaver, and earlier today, a judge ruled that Tarloff, with the history of mental illness, is competent to stand trial. Here's Sarah Wallace.
David Tarloff has been at Bellevue Hospital for the past several days, a judge ordering a psychiatric evaluation for the 39-year-old murder suspect after he appeared agitated and rambled incoherently during an initial court hearing last weekend. He'd been picked up by cops after they linked him to a bloody palm print and other forensic evidence found at the stunningly brutal murder scene of Manhattan therapist Catherine Fahey.
My understanding is for a number of weeks prior to this incident, there was no medication, so it was not under doctor care. Clearly is not getting the treatment that he should have been getting.
Tarloff's newly appointed attorney spoke to reporters today after meeting with his client, who, wearing an orange jumpsuit, acted much more calm in court, even answering a question logically from the judge. A psychiatric or 730 evaluation has found that Tarloff is competent to stand trial.
But it's certainly no indication of what his mental state was throughout the preceding weeks. But right at the time of the 730 evaluation, they medicated him and then found him fit. So it's definitely 100% not a clear indication of what his mental state was at the time that this supposedly occurred.
Tarloff's attorney says he now wants another psychiatrist to examine his client and will then decide down the road at the arraignment whether or not to raise a psychiatric defense. From State Supreme Court in Lower Manhattan, Sarah Wallace, Channel 7 Eyewitness News.